Ang isinayaw ng mga mananayaw ang sayaw na isinasayaw ng mga mananayaw.
Isinayaw ng mga mananayaw ang sayaw na sinasayaw ng mga mananayaw.
Isinasayaw ng mga mananayaw.
Isinayaw ng mga mananayaw ang sayaw na sinasayaw ng mga mananayaw.
Awasan na, katatapos lang ng... Ay, hindi na yung awasan na! Awasan! Ano? Class dismiss na! Ah, sorry, amin lang pala yung word na
Kuya
yun.
Marinig, akala ko nagja-gibbers.
Wala bang awasan sa inyo? Awas! Awas na! Awasan na!
Awas is overflow. Sa Bisaya. Sa amin, nag-overflow yung awas.
Sige.
Mabuhay, we are Beanie.
Today, we're gonna tell you some story.
The catch is we each have to continue each other's sentences to complete 3 different stories. Let's go!
May 9, 2026. I woke up and I got a message. English? Hindi, wait lang, Taglish. I got a message and then sabi niya he will pick me up in 5 minutes. So I panicked.
Nagmadali akong bumangon. I went to the CR. Nag-toothbrush. Hindi na ako nakaligo. Nagulat ako sa itsura ko pagtingin ko sa salamin.
Dahil ang dami kong pimples on that day. And dahil nagpanic ako, tinry ko lahat ng mga creams na nakita ko sa cabinet ko. Pero
pangit pa rin ako nung araw na yon. Kaya, naglagay ako ng pimple patch.
Na star.
Na star. Para cute. Tapos, nagbihis ako ng sobrang cute para hindi mapansin yung mukha ko.
Tapos, pagkatapos nun, nagsuot na ako ng sapatos at nagmadaling sumakay dahil napansin ko na late na ako.
Tapos, nung nakasakay na ako sa kotse niya, syempre binati ko siya, "Hello, sorry I'm late." Oh, wow. Where are you taking me? Are we going out on a date? Or are we gonna just stay here? What's your plan?
Kaso, unfortunately, wala siyang plan. Oh, what the frick? Hinayaan niya akong mag-plan. Itutuloy ko pa ba yung date namin? Or hahayaan ko yung sarili ko na mag-plan ng date? Anong gagawin ko?
At dahil dyan, nagpasuyo ako, tumalikod ako sa kanya, tapos kinukulbit niya ako ng kinukulbit at sabi niya, sorry na, sige na, next time hindi na ito mauulit. At di nila napansin, may dumaang truck sa harap nila.
Ang tragic!
It was tragic.
It's fine.
Yes.
I missed one.
Skin, your sweet smile.
Uy, birthday ni Sheena yun, May 9.
Ikat niyo, ano na lang, November 32. On November 32, 2026.
Tapos nagising ka, tama. Tapos nagising ka.
So, nagising ako. Tapos na, nagising ka na. Yun ang sinabi mo, nagising ka. Inulit ko lang, nagising ako. And then, ano lang pala siya?
Ano lang pala siya?
Panaginip lang pala. And, maga pala ako nagising, merong
Bit niya ako ng kinukulbit at sabi niya,
Sorry na. Sige na, next time hindi na ito mauulit.
Kumain kami ng ice cream and then pag-uwi, nag-pray kami kasi manonood kami ng horror movie.
Sapalan kami ni Stacy, nagsipalan kami ni Mika.
On November 32, 2026. So, pumunta ako ng Cubao Expo. Pumunta ako ng Cubao Expo.
ano sabihin?
How are you?
I am alive! Oh yeah! For 2026, I reached 2026. Magto 25 na. Quarter life. In a bit.
Your wish for your birthday?
My birthday? Anything good. Basta more blessings. And for my family.
Give her something good.
Yep, good health. Okay. Good. Thank you.
Today, we're gonna tell you some stories.
The catch is, we each have to continue each other's sentences to complete 3 different stories. Let's go!
Sa kotse niya, syempre binati ko siya. Hello, I'm sorry, I'm late.
Unfortunately, wala siyang plan.
Ano lang pala siya?
Pero pangit pa rin ako nung araw na yun. Nangingay sila sa horror movie.
Nabababa siya. It's so amazing. About to go to Dubai. It's an 8-hour flight. I'm so excited. So comfy. Thank you, Lord.
It's following me! That's so cool.
And now we have this new content we're shooting. It's very exciting because it's new and we've never done this.
We're very excited for this project kasi unique siya and dito sobrang collaborative ng lahat.
Yeah.
Bye-bye!
Bye.
Go. From you.
You start first then.
You start first.
Risking is better than regretting.
You will not know unless you try.
Okay. Do what you love and love what you do.
Never give up and never think of giving up. Be bold and be brave.
Be brave.
Oh, that.
They make us shy.
Yeah, always be kind, Blooms. A good heart will always win.
Yay!
You guys think we inspire you, but you inspire us more.
Period.
God bless.
And God will do that.
God bless and God will do that.
Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I look forward to doing this again. 2020.
Ay, oh my gosh, may story ako, may story. Okay, this is it. So, di ba pagdating po namin sa salon, sabay-sabay kami. So, pagkaupo ko doon, walang hi, hello, cut agad. Yes, way. Wala po talaga. Like, sige, di ba tinali niya? So, akala ko naman, yes, mag-usap muna kami, ganyan. Kasi, magka-transition pa lang ako na TikTok. Tapos, nagulat ako, kinakat na niya. So, sabi ko, okay, wala nang bawian.
Wala nang drama-drama.
Yeah, this is my life. This is my hair.
Yung shortness na gusto mo.
Yes.
Alright.
Deserve.
May kasabi lang talaga, pinagdikit niyo mukha niyo ni Sarah Geronimo.
Yes. Amazing. Napanood ko po yun. Tapos, nung nakita ko nga yung pinagsama kami, sabi ko, oh, I see it. Lalo na with my hairstyle nung unang reveal.
Right.
Very same kami ng style dun.
You're manifesting a collab.
Yes, please. Next year with Beanie. Di lang si Bebe ang happy. Ako rin. I feel so fresh, so ready. Oh my gosh! And oh, so hungry. Kainan na!
Mic drop.
Kagat na malaking langgam.
Mabilis lang.
Oh my God.
Huwag mo na tignan.
Hate ko talaga yung injections. Maybe because na-trauma talaga ako nung first injection ko nung bata ko. Oh my God.
Alam nyo, ang hip-hop ko, good pawis ang hinanay ng mga idols. Training sa umaga, training sa gabi. Talagang walang kapagulan ng training. Pero ginagawa to ng lahat ng idols para sa mga fans. At talaga namang mapapahanga ka.
Nervous faces and heart races. Can I come through? No, here with you. Found something new. Through the dark nights and the highlights. You're my lifeline as we take our flight. And the world was telling me no. You pushed my heart to just go. But now we're sure I know. Through the dark night. Ate Aika, we love you. You are our core.
Pasensya sa mga ginawa naming kasalanan. Kung kami man ay hindi rumiresponsable. Kung di kami sumasagot sa inyo. Patawarin kami.
Sorry, Ate Ice.
Pero bago matapos yung araw na yun, nag-trip to Jerusalem. And super saya nun kasi super tawa. Sino ba nanalo nun?
Ito, Mika.
Si Mikay na
Year of the Horse daw ngayon. Guys, dahil dyan, sasakyan namin si Ate Malo.
Huh?
That's so funny. Is that a joke? Hey, good. Kumusta daw yung vacation natin? How was your vacation?
Sorry.
Bunjing.
I want to end my day with my family and I want
Bini Aya. I spend my last day with Bini Aya.
I want to end my day,
I will give
my last day
blooms.
with my family
And spend more time with Aya for blooms. Spend more time with Aya for blooms. For
mag-Q&A.
For blooms.
Arena performing for blue.
You have 15 solo performance. And I will spend my last hour writing my will and giving away my money
Wow,
to charity.
It's a prank daw.
And
To charity nga, and to charity.
And it's a prank daw.
And I thank you.
Alright, thank you.
I was having fun, then suddenly I started to feel something. Such a party pooper, please, not today. Medyo. Ako ganyan ako magkaroon ng malala. I really hate it when I have dysmenorrhea because I don't feel so well. Yay, thank you, Mix. I love and appreciate your care so much.
It's a girl thing talaga. And no worries, Ate Aya. Just get a good night's sleep and everything will be okay.
Teka, ihinga mo ito mo. Ako higa ka muna. Okay na ako guys, bye-bye.
Namumula siya. Sobrang update. Namumula siya.
Mag-out si Sheena. Out.
Story ni Kulot. Kasi nag-order kami ng popcorn, tapos basta may sinabi siya, tapos kami, Guys, si Sheena.
Oh my God.